Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the game environment. Make a backup, then install Optifine or Sodium plus Iris because compatibility is crucial. Next, download a night vision resource pack built for 1.21.4. This prevents texture errors and missing files. Once downloaded, place the pack file into your resource packs folder. Make sure Minecraft is closed while moving files so nothing corrupts. You'll see immediate benefit. The pack supplies brightened textures and shader hooks that the mod loader will use. Open the launcher and boot the 1.21.4 profile that includes Optifine or Sodium/Iris. In Options right arrow Resource Packs, activate the Night Vision pack and move it into the selected column. This ensures textures load first. Then fine-tune video settings. Set brightness and gamma to a normal baseline, enable the shader hooks if required, and reduce render distance slightly to avoid lag. Once done, reload the resource packs with the button to apply changes. You finish by testing the pack in a cave or at night. Walk into darkness to confirm enhanced visibility and shader consistency. If you spot flicker, missing textures, or crashes, first clear the resource pack cache and restart Minecraft. Then reinstall the pack or update Optifine/Iris. Make sure mods and pack versions match 1.21.4. If problems persist, restore your backup and try a different pack. Keeping backup saves time and lets you revert fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.